Sanbona and welcome back to Zulu Mama, where we celebrate the beauty of isiZulu and South African culture. Today's lesson is all about food, or as we say in isiZulu, ukudla. Let's learn how to say some common food words in isiZulu. I will say the food word in English and then tell you in isiZulu. And if you like, you can repeat after me after I say the Zulu word. Pumpkin is ithanga. Ithanga. And pumpkin is often used to make delicious dishes like isijingi, a smooth, creamy pumpkin porridge loved in Zulu homes. Salt is usawoti. In isiZulu, salt is usawoti. Simple but essential in every meal. A sandwich is isemishi. Yes, even sandwich has a Zulu word, which is isemishi. You can say, ngidla isemishi. I am eating a sandwich. Soup is isobo. Warm and comforting. In isiZulu, we call it isobo. Ngidla isobo lenyama. And that means I am eating meat soup. Rice. Iraisi. Rice is directly translated. And it's a staple food that goes perfectly with a stew or curry. Iraisi. And some people say ilaisi. Sour milk is amasi. It's one of the most traditional Zulu foods. Amasi. It's fermented milk, thick and tangy, often eaten with uphuthu, which is crumbly pap. Stew is isitshulu. Isitshulu. We say ngithanda isitshulu senyama. I love meat stew. Sugar is ushukela. Ushukela. It's sweet and simple. And that's sugar in isiZulu. Sapha, isidlo sakusihlwa. Or you may simply say isapha. This is one of the direct translation words. Sushi is isushi. Direct translation. Yes, the Zulu word sounds the same. Isushi. It's modern food, so it's directly translated. Sweet is uswidi. Uswidi. If you love sweets, you must remember this word. Ngithanda uswidi means I love sweets. Tea is itiye. Itiye. Many Zulu homes start the morning with itiye. Hot, comforting, and shared with love. Tomato is utamatisi. Utamatisi. We use it in stews, salads, and sauces. Vegetables, imfino. Imfino. Imfino is usually cooked with onions and salt. It's very simple and delicious. Water is amanzi. Amanzi. And water is an essential. Always drink your water. Phuza amanzi njalo. Among all these delicious foods, one that truly brings families together is isitshulu, a Zulu-style stew made with meat, vegetables, and love. Every household has their own way of making it, but one thing never changes: the aroma that fills the air and the joy it brings to the table. Now you know 15 everyday Zulu food words, from itanga to amanzi. Keep practicing and soon you'll be speaking like a true Zulu mama. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more isiZulu language videos every week.